Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you go to jail for lying on food stamps? The straight answer is yes, absolutely. Lying on your food stamp application, officially known as SNAP benefits, is a very serious offense. It's not just about losing your benefits, you could face significant legal consequences, including fines, probation, and even time behind bars. This isn't something to take lightly. Food stamp fraud happens when someone intentionally provides false information to get benefits they are not entitled to receive. This can involve many different actions. For example, you might lie about your income. You could claim you earn less money than you actually do. Another common lie is hiding assets. This means not telling the government about bank accounts, property, or other valuable things you own. Sometimes, people fail to report all household members. If someone living with you earns money, that income needs to be included in your application. Not reporting changes in your circumstances is also a form of fraud. If you get a new job, a raise, or someone moves out or in, you must report these changes promptly. Failing to do so can lead to overpayment, which is considered fraud. Using your benefits for things not allowed is also illegal. This includes buying alcohol, tobacco, or other non-food items with your EBT card. Selling your food stamp benefits for cash, known as trafficking, is one of the most serious types of fraud and carries very harsh penalties. The consequences for lying on food stamps depend on several factors. These include the amount of benefits you fraudulently received. They also depend on your past criminal record, if any. The specific laws in your state can also play a role. Generally, the penalties start with losing your benefits. You will likely be disqualified from receiving SNAP benefits for a period of time, sometimes permanently. You will also be required to repay all the benefits you received illegally. This repayment often comes with interest or additional fees. Beyond that, you can face criminal charges. For smaller amounts of fraud, typically under $500 or $1,000 depending on the state, it might be charged as a misdemeanor. A misdemeanor can still result in jail time, usually up to a year, along with hefty fines and probation. However, if the amount of fraud is larger, often exceeding $500 or $1,000, it can be charged as a felony. Felony convictions are much more severe. They can lead to state prison sentences, sometimes for several years. You could face very large fines, often thousands of dollars. A felony conviction also leaves you with a permanent criminal record. This record can make it extremely difficult to find jobs, secure housing, or even qualify for other government assistance in the future. Both state and federal authorities can prosecute food stamp fraud. SNAP is a federal program, so federal charges are possible, especially in cases of large-scale fraud or trafficking. These federal charges often carry even stricter penalties. The government takes food stamp fraud very seriously because it involves taxpayer money. These programs are designed to help families and individuals genuinely in need. When people lie, they misuse public funds and take resources away from those who truly qualify. So, the message is clear: honesty is always the best policy when applying for or receiving food stamp benefits. Always provide accurate information and report any changes to your income or household situation immediately. If you are unsure about what to report, contact your local SNAP office for clarification. Don't risk facing serious legal trouble. Thank you for watching this important video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into legal topics and consumer advice. We appreciate your support.